engagement, the MCE announced a series of measures aimed at preventing future flooding and reducing the impact of dam spillage on nearby communities. It is closed that the Assembly will undertake the measures of the Dentu River to improve the free flow of water and reduce blockages that contribute to flooding during dam discharge period.
You say, the Abba and Shuno, air corner, and one pie and you can be any. Because embankment na honmono e wo form ba bibia ye gina sisia no wo so nti ye chi honmono na nsuo no e pa ye den e fa akuru no mo enche ye ne ye engineers no e ba behwe e be ye embankment no na ya san ya ye den eti nsuo no mo ama nsuo na ye den akọ form because sisia bibia enam ye de enam soro se ye bie ne kakra ka ho a na den e be pija aba kuru no mo because kuru no kwan no ene bibia nsuo no da na ye den ayefe nti e wo se den ye ti silt na ye wo den e wo nsuo ni mo na wo se ye ti titi mo mo se ye bie extra no nsuo ni nyina ye den e ko dia wo be bisa ho ne se ye bie dam no na nsuo ni e pese e ko he because nsuo na wo se ba e fi dam ho no mo ba e wo se etumi ko beebi ye pu ni mo nti se wo bie dam no na wo mbie e ho no mo beebi e wo se e ko na na che so pese nsuo na ye den ka kuro ni mo.
Meanwhile, some residents and opinion leaders who interacted with the MCE commended the initiative, expressed optimism that the proposed intervention would bring lasting relief and help protect lives and properties from future flood disaster.
Omudi ahabe dredging na ebe save community ni de yan ayewa han ye ni hweka any authorities na kasa na mo ewo mo hwe a omo betumi de abo yan na ebetumi save environment na say community ni de e de ni hweka because I na risks. This is almost a habit dredging maybe severe. The boy,
can imagine anything. Akebia, certain on betum, who's in Sweden. We as a defining at the Chinese animal to museum. I'm an cock deep. Send a bear, Mubia, ain't me pager, ain't me rima, as ra. I can remember.
However, the authorities are to ensure the timely implementation of the measures to prevent devastation in the affected communities.